Monthly passive income from dividends. Pwede nga ba? Ito ang topic natin ngayon in this video. By the way, hindi ako guru or expert, but I created this channel to share my personal investing journey and my thoughts on personal finance. My approach to investing, particularly sa stock market, is long-term and I focus on earning dividends. For me, earning dividends is an excellent form of passive income. I buy shares of companies which I believe are stable and will provide me with regular dividends. With this approach, I can earn income with less effort since I don't have to be involved in the day-to-day operations of the company or look at the stock market every hour or every day. Pwede nga bang kumita ng monthly dividends sa Philippine Stock Market? And my answer is yes, posible. This chart shows the dividends I received from January 2022 to July 2023. Makikita dito na consistent akong nakatanggap ng dividends every month for a period of 18 months. Pero kung titignan natin ang Philippine stock market, wala namang individual stock ang nagbibigay ng monthly dividends. If so, paano ko na-achieve na makatanggap ng dividends buwan-buwan? Ganito ang ginawa ko. Una, I built a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. And currently, there are 15 stocks in my portfolio. Based on my research, they all have established a good record of paying dividends consistently. And I expect them to continue doing so. And true enough, nakapagbigay sila sa akin ng dividends consistently this past 18 months. Very important to consider na dapat ang mga stocks na hawak ko ay stable companies at may good track record in paying dividends. Number 2, I invested more in frequent paying dividend stocks. Ibig sabihin, marami sa mga stocks na hawak ko ay nagbibigay ng dividends on quarterly and semi-yearly basis. If I will group the stocks in my portfolio based on the frequency of giving dividends, 5 out of 15 stocks ay nagbibigay twice a year ng dividends. Then, 7 out of 15 ang nagbibigay quarterly. And if you will look closely, karamihan sa quarterly paying dividends ay mga REITs. This is one of the reasons why I like REITs as they play an important role in my investing journey. This chart shows how the combination of these 2 points I mentioned earlier helped me achieve my monthly passive income. Nasa upper part ng chart ay yung mga natanggap kong dividends. At nasa baba naman ay kung sinong stock ang nagbigay ng dividends at that month. Makikita din sa chart, by having a good number of dividend stocks, na spread out ang schedule ng dividend payments. Kaya, nakatatanggap ako ng dividends buwan-buwan. Also, the more frequent I receive the dividends, the better because I reinvest these dividends to buy more shares. Hindi ko wini-withdraw ang mga natatanggap kong dividends. By reinvesting these dividends, nagko-compound sila. Mas mabilis dumami ang hawak kong shares, mas mabilis lumaki ang aking investments, and mas maraming income. Ang tawag dito ay snowball effect. So, monthly passive income from dividends, pwede nga ba? Yes, pwede. Ang ganda, di ba? Pero may mga few points na dapat i-consider at these are some of them. First, hindi guaranteed ang dividends. It is possible na hindi magbigay ang dividends ang isang stock o kaya ma-delay sa pagbibigay ng dividends ang isang company. Meron din yung mga stocks na nagbibigay ng special dividends before. Pero pwede silang hindi na magbigay ng special dividends in the future. Second point ay pwedeng bumaba ang binibigay na dividends. It is good kung tumataas ang dividends na binibigay. Pero may chances din na bumaba ang binibigay na dividends. Another point ay yung pagbaba ng price ng stock. Dahil ang pagbaba ng stock price ay pwedeng makaapekto sa overall returns ng investments. Kaya laging tatandaan, merong risks sa pag-i-invest. And it is important na ang investor ay merong investment plan o strategy na akma sa kanya. So that's it. I hope ang video na ito ay nakatulong o nagbigay ng idea sa'yo para sa iyong investing. If so, I appreciate if you will press like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Let me know kung meron kang mga thoughts, questions, or suggestions sa comment section. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.